In MyDelta, the grade roster is used to record a final grade for each student who is formally enrolled in a class the day after the final drop date. The grade roster will be available towards the end of a session or term once student rosters are final and it's time to enter grades. To access the grade roster, log into MyDelta and click on the Faculty Center icon. A new page will load with your teaching schedule. If necessary, you can use the Change Term button to view a different term. If the grade roster is available, then you will see the grade roster icon appear to the left of the class title in your teaching schedule. Click on the icon to see the grade roster page. Once on the roster, you will see the Approval Status drop-down list, which has the following available statuses: Not Reviewed, which is the initial status when grades have not yet been entered or reviewed; Ready for Review, which indicates grades have been entered by the TA and are ready for a primary instructor's review; and Approved, which signifies grades are ready to be posted to a student's record. To begin entering grades, ensure the status is set to Not Reviewed. Next, click on the drop-down field in the roster grade column. A drop-down list appears containing only those grades applicable to the student's grading basis. Select the appropriate grade. You can apply the same grade to multiple students at once by checking the box next to each student and clicking the Add this grade to selected students button. If you need to pause your work, you can click Save at any time to save your work in progress and return to the same spot at a later time. When finished entering grades, click on the Approval Status drop-down list and select Ready for Review. Click Save to save the grades and status. Note, this step is optional and is available should you have multiple users managing the grade roster. You may also skip directly to Approved if you're the only user approving. Once all grades are reviewed, change the approval status to Approved and click Save. Finally, click the Post button to have grades available for students to view. Once the grades are posted, the grades roster will no longer be able to be edited. If you need to change a grade after they've been posted, click on the Request Grade Change button in your class roster. A grade change request page will load with all the students enrolled in the class and their official grade. From the Official Grade drop-down, select the appropriate new grade. Provide a last date of attendance if required, and select the appropriate reason from the Change Reason drop-down. To submit the request for a grade change, click the Submit button. A success message will appear in the row of the student of the grade you changed. Click Return to Grade Roster to view the student's updated official grade. You can repeat these steps for any class, allowing you to manage your grade rosters each term. Please visit deltacollege.edu/mydelta for more information on faculty resources, as well as additional training videos for other features of MyDelta.